Is your Amazon listing search suppressed? If so, then I'll show you the way to fix it. But before, what is a search suppressed listing and how do you even know your listing is search suppressed and what are the reasons behind it? Let me show you. Open the menu from your Seller Center dashboard, go to Inventory, then click on Manage All Inventory. Now open the listing status menu and click on Search Suppressed. Okay, these are all our listings that are facing search suppression issues. If I copy one of the ASINs and search on Amazon with it, our product is not in the search results, but it should be. So, search suppressed Amazon listings are products that don't appear on the Amazon search result, even though they should. If your listing is facing this problem, then it's a total disaster. Shoppers will not find your item and you'll not get any sales. So, it's a huge loss for you. Well, it caused by several reasons. Your product image, title, description, or price mainly cause this issue. So, these are the usual things that cause the search suppression. Sometimes there are other reasons, but these four are the top and most common reasons. If your product image does not follow the Amazon guideline, like it does not have a pure white background as it required, your listing can be suppressed, as Amazon requires a clean white background. Also, if the image is blurry or does not have enough light, your listing might cause this issue. If you use any restricted words or info in the detail page like 100% guarantee, free shipping, HIV, etc., and there are many other words that are restricted by Amazon. So using these words can be a cause of search suppression. And here is a list of restricted words. I'll give you its link in the description. Read them out before writing your listing copy. Another reason behind search suppression is if you exceed the character limit of any particular area like title, bullet point, and description. The character limit for Amazon's title is 200, but when you are uploading the listing bulk with a feed file, you might mistakenly include more than 200. In such case, your listing submission might be successful, but Amazon will compromise the listing with the search suppression. If your product doesn't have the right product identifier like UPC, EAN, ISBN, Amazon can't process it properly. These codes help Amazon track and verify your product. Without valid identifiers, your listing could be suppressed. Pricing that is too high or too low can raise a red flag for Amazon. If your price is significantly out of range, say a $10 product is listed at $1,000, then Amazon may hide your listing. On the other hand, a price that is too low compared to a similar product could also trigger a warning. Amazon has strict rules about what can and cannot be sold on its platform. Violating these policies, listing prohibited items, or using misleading product descriptions can suppress your listing. If you're unsure about the rules, always review Amazon's policies to avoid costly mistakes. Your customers' feedback matters a lot. If you get too many complaints or poor reviews, Amazon might suppress your listing to protect the shopper. This could be happen to another reason, which is you are getting too many returns than usual. Search suppression can also cause when you don't have enough inventory or no inventory at all. Now, if your listing is compromised by Amazon with such suppression, how do you fix them? If you have image-related issues, then go to Manage All Inventory, then click here, Search Suppressed and Inactive Listings. On the left, you can see we have Search Suppressed Listing and it requires more information. Let's click on it. If we see the issue description, the main image is missing or incorrect. Please submit a complaint image to leave the issue. Also refer to product image requirements. To solve the issue, drag and drop the image here or click here and upload the image. Also make sure the image you're uploading is accurately representing the product and meets all the Amazon's guidelines. Then click on Save. Our image is submitted and it will take up to 15 minutes to process the changes. And hopefully Amazon will resolve the search suppression issue within 24 hours. Now, if you have another issue that is related to your title or description, let me show you how to fix it from another account that has such an issue. Again, click on Search Suppressed and Inactive Listings. On the left, see, we have 172 search suppressed listings. Here we have 12 listings with invalid information. Click on it and all the items with invalid information will show on this page. Now look at this item. We have listed this item, but the title character was more than 200. We know that on Amazon the character limit is 200. So let's craft a new title for this item with 200 character limit and give it inside this box and then save it. Okay, done. Now see this? We have 3 items with potential duplicate issues. Click on it. If Amazon finds any of your item is very similar to another item, it can flag it. To solve it, click on Review Duplicates. Now 2 options are available. These are not duplicates and these are duplicates. As our item is not a duplicate, we are gonna click here. So our submission is successful. Amazon will review our submission and resolve it if our claim is legit. So if you are facing this problem, like you have listed your product but it does not come in the search, then you can send your ASIN to us. We'll give a full audit of your listings and we'll find out the reasons behind the search suppression issues. Email us at info@ecomclips.com. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Please subscribe to this channel and thanks for watching.